This video will show you how to replace the cam lock and keeper on a wood window with a compression sash. First, unlock the window. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the 2 screws in the cam lock. Remove the cam lock. Now, remove the 2 screws in the keeper. Remove the keeper. Now, let's install our new lock and keeper. First, place the new keeper and cam lock in position. Now, drive the provided screws through the holes on the keeper, making sure not to over-tighten. Next, drive the provided screws through the holes on the cam lock. Finally, test for proper operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com. Or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.